Okay. So we're gonna do another one. Sorry that I'm awkward, I'm just like that. But this one's
We love you, Kat.
This one's a little harder, okay? So I just got these from ChatGPT. So what we need is we have nitroglycerin, 15 micrograms per minute. I always like to write things down so that nothing gets messed up with the words. The pharmacy has 50 milligrams in 250 milliliters D5W. Again, we do not care about D5W, so that's fine. The drop factor is 60 drops per milliliter. So what is the IV
Wait,
flow rate?
don't you mean minutes?
No, I don't.
Wait, what? The drop factor is in per milliliter?
No, we're gonna have to solve for minutes.
Yeah. Yes. So
Oh.
yeah.
Okay, it's making us solve for. Okay.
Yeah. So what is the IV flow rate in milliliters per hour? And what is the drop factor of drops per minute? Now, I want y'all to do this with me because I know y'all are like, what the hell is she talking about? Okay? Okay. So I'm telling you this is a great way because like you don't need to like memorize anything that they could tell you. You just have to do this. So again, we always start with our number one, which is 15 micrograms in a minute. So 1 minute. And you're kind of seeing something here that micrograms and milligrams aren't the same. And if you could pin over there, I have that for you.
We have a nice little example.
Yeah. So basically.
Do you want to use my analogy?
Yeah.
It helped. It might help our viewers.
Yeah. So, Kat basically had this analogy. This guy's the dad, big brother. Sorry, horrible bees. And little brother, okay? Grams, milligrams, micrograms. They're all equal to each other. 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. 1 gram is 1 million micrograms. And, you know, those are the same too. And 1 milligram is 1,000 micrograms. Remember that, because we will be using that. So, obviously, we need to get micrograms to milligrams, and then million, you know, stuff like that. So, we need to convert micrograms to milligrams. So, since we want to cross this out, because we need milliliters per hour, we are going to put micrograms on the bottom and milligrams on the top. So, if you remember from my little chart over there, 1 milligram is 1,000 micrograms. Okay, great, because that just kind of crosses those out. And now you have milligrams in minutes, which you don't need. So, we're going to do another little, like, crossing out version. So we're going to do minutes to hours, because we only need hours. And we need hours on the bottom. And we need minutes on the top, which is great. So we put minutes on top, hours on the bottom. So just to make it easy on ourselves, 1 hour, 60 minutes. Cross out the minutes here. You're left with hours on the bottom, which you need. But we need to convert micrograms to milliliters, which brings us to our second part of the problem. 50 milligrams, which we need milligrams on the bottom because it's on the top. Sorry, I'm blanking. Equals, oh my gosh, 250 milligrams. Okay, you get it? No? We'll just kind of replay the videos because, or text me on GroupMe, trust. And then, what do we have? So, we cross those out, and we're left with milliliters, which is what we want because we have milliliters per hour. So what we need to do is we need to grab our phone or our calculator because we're technically done with this part. So we have 15 times 1 times 60 times 250. That's 225,000 milliliters. Yes. And then for this one, 50,000. Yeah? 50,000.
Yep.
Yeah. And 50,000 hours. And divide that 4.5 milliliters per hour. Horrible process, but it gets the job done and it, explains everything to you. So, back on the floor. Now we need drops per minute. So since we did all that, thank God, we could just use this and not do everything else. So we have 4.5 milliliters per 1 hour. So we need drops per minute. So obviously hours isn't gonna cut it. So we need to put minutes on the bottom, hours on the top. Hours are gonna cross out, so 1 hour is 60 minutes. Cross those out. We're left with minutes on the bottom. That's great. I'm just gonna erase this really quickly. And then we can't have milliliters because we need drops. So, last part of the problem, thank God. So we need drops on the top, milliliters on the bottom, which
Drop top.
drops
Smoking
on
it.
the top, milliliters on the bottom, which is great because, So 60 drops per 1 milliliter. Milliliters are crossed out, leaving us with drops. So all we're good with, sorry, all we have now is drops per minute. So that's what we want. So we have that. Oh wait, no, we don't do that yet. Sorry. So now we're just gonna multiply each. So 4.5 times 60, that's 270 drops. Over 60 minutes. But we need per minutes, not per 60 minutes. So now we get 4.5 drops per minute. Hooray! You did it! Great!
Good job.
Oh my god. Alright, we'll do one more, and it's like a really hard one, so. Sanitary pad. Hooray.